As you said, you will get claim 5k premium bonuses absolutely free only for you guys. So don't skip this video guys. Let's get started this video. Hi guys, my name is AK. I'm a reviewer YouTube channel. If you are watching and first time in my channel, hit the like button and smash the subscribe also guys. I will update regular basis of this product review on digital product on software also guys. So if you really like this my channel and subscribe onto my channel. Let's get started this video. Today I will review with Affiliate Star review guys. This is 100% brand new method, pay him $10,000 per month and feels like cracking the code. Now you will see guys, is Affiliate Stars reveal a beginner friendly method that literally took leaps from seeing zeros to in his account to $500 per day and earning and to replicate it is less than 10 minutes guys. Yes guys, if you found no need of any expensive software, no need of any experience required guys. No need of previous experience. Brand new 2021 traffic method, generate free traffic, enjoy free buyer traffic and perfect for newbie with zero skills, just copy and paste and easy to understand, is 100% proven to work and generate sales passively. Is 100% free traffic guys, is 100% beginner friendly, works in any niche could you think and complete step by step training, you don't need to any website or no coding or no design skills required. And brand new method that's never been released. Use this 100% free buyer traffic that convert like crazy. So you are only one click away from this 100 of free visitor viral visitor as a little of 6 seconds. Even if you have no tech skills or no experience, here the why you have been struggling in this ultimate solution. This is or the reason most people struggle, nobody want to help for the free. So most method don't work for newbie. So you have been trying to outdated method. Every system record experience, every system record for tech skills and information overload and no reply to your support questions and no support for your family and friends and too expensive to shop. So your dream of freedom to start a fade away is painful reality. These dreams are likely to include the more time to home with family, is additional cash in the bank, quitting your full time of 9 to 5 job and becoming your own boss, vacation with your loved ones and living the laptop lifestyle. As I said, the reason the most people, especially beginners, if you like, you still stuck in the because you are dabbling and is not taking things as seriously. So if you know it's a turn to enjoy free viral traffic and sales guys. Congrats, your search is over guys. Because this affiliate store levels the playing field for the small guy who's just starting out. It's designed and built for the beginner to get viral visitor and you can effortlessly get viral visitor without any of the following. So the key to real online success is getting free buyer leads. Yes, why buyer leads is so powerful. So you can work in lot of spend as people your time doing this thing that you want to do. So making money while you sleep is the ultimate rush that keep creating a life freedom. So you will never look of a royalty of after you today because every dollar you make it doing it to your bank account is happiness, fulfillment and freedom at every level, more free time and a good night's sleep. Only 3 steps to start guys. Get started now. Grab your copy and just copy what you do and earn will commission. That's it guys. Now we'll see guys, before will be very low or not getting any sales, but once you will learn this course, learn this strategy, after you will learn this type of income in your life in be everyday, this is day to day life. Now you will ask yourself why you need to this, because first you will get infinity free traffic for your offer. Second, passive income provided with you for freedom in your life to do things you want to do to fun you want to do. Third, on the spot and the best the paid while we do you think what you want. So now we'll see guys, even earn reliable online money and work whenever I want to, work from whatever I want and spend more time with my family, spend more time fishing and casking and spend more time on a golf course and no boss, no employee, no stress. Does not tell this sound is guys. Yes guys, definitely this spot really worthwhile guys. Live the life of you will always dream of, your quit your 9 to 5 job and work from home and travel and world and be free. Buy a new property and cars, stock cash and build your bank balance and secure your children's financial. Become your own boss, take over, take control of your life. Because buyer traffic is how the big names in the world of internet marketing do what they do. Now we'll see guys, Mr. Tanlock Gary V. This person is a rich person of this affiliate marketing experting person guys. So what our customers are saying guys. So a lot of people's providing the positive reviews also for this product, guys. Now we'll see, guys. Gary Manson, Marion Latin, Larry Sabin, and Garlon Page, and Mark Wild, and Brian Smith also. This is a vendor of this product, Mr. Uh, Mahmoud Al Faki. Okay, this past 7 years of digital marketing field is working for this site, guys. So there's a lot of different method will teaching you step by step method. So definitely, even any asking, just ask in your comment. I will give the email also. You will replay and ask anything, guys. So definitely this person will be solve your problem whatever it is. Now we'll see, guys. This 100% free beginner friendly is free traffic work on any niche. Could you think is complete step by step training. You don't need any website, no coding or design skill required. A brand new method that never been released. Uses 100% of free buyer traffic that convert like crazy. The easiest, most proven way to create a highly profitable buyer. So no more waiting, result is little and 24 hours. This is inside of you'll find the step by step training, guys. Learn how you to get traffic from for free and make more sales. Now we'll see, guys, this type of sales, this type of income, this type of affiliate commission you will be earning day by day in your inbox, in your bank balance also. So I have experience with nearly every time there is no make money online. So I have not needed a job since 2016. So if you need a small percentage of your spare time, so growing buyer list, your financial situation and your lifestyle could change forever. And now we'll see the importance of this video, guys. Now we'll see, guys, this get over 427 bucks of bonuses for free when you get affiliate start bonus. Yes, guys, once you purchase, guys, you will get this also for the amazing bonuses. Plus don't skip this, guys, because I will give you amazing bonuses plus additionally for your purchasing time. Okay, now you will making money is machine is a complete guide of training. You will get know how to set a passive profit of 152 bucks of the free traffic. So bonus number 2, guys, your own passive income cost. And bonus number 3, your own Facebook Messenger bot marketing. And bonus number 4, ready for 10 website to help you make online income of $100. And affiliate marketing tutorial will by this end of you should be able to make your first $100 to $300 affiliate commission. So now we'll see, guys. I am also providing also, guys. I will play for this my special bonus video. Alright, guys, how to claim your all bonuses. Number 1, guys, clear your cookies and web browser. And step 2, purchase the product in a special link and complete your purchase after clicking receipt to accept the bonus link. And step 4, all bonus package will receive within 12 to 24 hours. And now we'll see, guys, this is my blog also. I've already make it the reviews blog. I will give the link in the description below, guys. You will check it out for this my review blog also. Now we'll see after you will decide this product really worth or not. And I will explain pros and cons also, guys. Now we'll see, guys. One of these pros also for this brand new, this is 2021 traffic method. Is generate free traffic, enjoy free buyer traffic, and perfect for newbie with new skills. And just copy and paste is to understand. It's 100% proof to work. And generate sales passively is 100% free traffic, is 100% beginner friendly. Work in any niche, could you think? And complete step by step training, and you don't need to any website, no coding, no design skill required. This is a brand new method, has never been released. It uses 100% free buyer traffic, but convert like crazy. This cons is, guys, this site is fully online, it's not offline for this cloud based system. So make money is not getting is 24 hours result. It take time to about your passion. Yes, guys, that's for this pros and cons, guys. I hope each and every step I will explain, guys. If you need any doubt or ask me in the comment section for hours, guys. For watching, guys, have a nice day.